Welcome to Sam Tech. In today's video, we're delving into how recent technological breakthroughs are transforming our everyday activities. From revolutionizing household chores to enhancing personal productivity, we'll explore how these advancements are making our lives easier and more efficient. Stay tuned to discover how technology is reshaping daily routines in ways you might not expect. Smart home technology is redefining how we manage our households. From voice-activated assistants to smart thermostats, these innovations make everyday tasks more convenient. Home automation systems can control lighting, security, and appliances, optimizing energy use and enhancing comfort. This integration allows homeowners to streamline their routines and create a more efficient living environment. Wearable technology is changing how we approach health and fitness. Smartwatches and fitness trackers monitor physical activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns, providing valuable insights into personal health. These devices help users set and achieve fitness goals, track progress, and stay motivated. By integrating wearable technology into daily life, individuals can make informed decisions about their health and wellness. AI-driven personal assistants are enhancing productivity and organization in both personal and professional settings. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa help manage schedules, set reminders, and handle tasks efficiently. These tools streamline daily activities and free up time for more important tasks, allowing users to focus on what matters most. Online shopping innovations are reshaping how we purchase goods and services. Features like personalized recommendations, virtual try-ons, and seamless checkout processes enhance the shopping experience. Advanced algorithms and AI improve product search and customer service, making online shopping more convenient and tailored to individual preferences. Telehealth services are making healthcare more accessible and convenient. Through video consultations and online medical platforms, patients can receive medical advice and treatment from the comfort of their homes. This technology reduces the need for in-person visits, saving time and making healthcare more accessible to a broader audience. Smart appliances are transforming household chores with automation and advanced features. From smart refrigerators that monitor food inventory to robotic vacuum cleaners that handle cleaning tasks, these devices make daily chores more efficient. By incorporating smart appliances, households can reduce manual labor and enjoy a more streamlined lifestyle. Educational technology is revolutionizing how we learn and teach. Interactive tools such as digital whiteboards, online learning platforms, and educational apps make learning more engaging and effective. These technologies cater to diverse learning styles and provide students with access to a wealth of resources, improving educational outcomes. Home entertainment systems are evolving to provide immersive experiences. Advanced sound systems, 4K TVs, and streaming services offer high-quality audio and video, transforming how we enjoy media at home. These technologies enhance entertainment and create a more engaging and enjoyable experience for viewers. Fitness apps are personalizing workout and wellness plans to suit individual needs. These apps offer customized workout routines, nutrition guidance, and progress tracking features. By using fitness apps, users can set goals, monitor their achievements, and receive personalized recommendations to enhance their health and fitness journey. Digital communication tools are enhancing connectivity and collaboration in both personal and professional settings. Platforms like Slack, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams facilitate seamless communication and teamwork, making remote work and virtual meetings more effective. These tools help users stay connected and collaborate efficiently, regardless of location. Smart transportation technologies are optimizing daily commutes with features like real-time traffic updates and route optimization. Apps and GPS systems provide accurate navigation, helping users avoid traffic and reduce travel time. These technologies enhance the efficiency of daily transportation and contribute to a smoother commuting experience. Personal finance apps are simplifying money management by providing tools for budgeting, tracking expenses, and managing investments. These apps offer insights into spending habits and financial goals, helping users make informed decisions about their finances. By integrating personal finance apps into daily life, individuals can achieve better financial health and planning. Virtual reality (VR) is creating engaging workout environments for home fitness enthusiasts. VR fitness programs offer immersive experiences that make exercising more enjoyable and motivating. By combining physical activity with virtual environments, users can experience workouts in new and exciting ways, enhancing their fitness routines. Digital cooking assistants are elevating culinary experiences with features like recipe recommendations, step-by-step instructions, and ingredient management. Smart kitchen gadgets and apps make cooking more accessible and enjoyable, helping users create delicious meals with ease. These technologies enhance culinary skills and streamline meal preparation. Cloud storage solutions are safeguarding and providing access to data anytime, anywhere. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive offer secure storage and easy sharing options for documents and files. By using cloud storage, users can access their data from multiple devices and ensure their information is protected and backed up. Automated home security systems are enhancing safety with features like remote monitoring, smart alarms, and motion detection. These systems provide real-time alerts and control, allowing homeowners to manage their security from anywhere. By integrating automated security solutions, households can improve safety and protect their property. Tech-enhanced travel planning tools are simplifying vacation arrangements with features like itinerary management, booking services, and travel recommendations. Apps and websites offer comprehensive travel planning solutions, making it easier to organize trips and enjoy a stress-free vacation experience. Thanks for watching Sam Tech. We hope you enjoyed exploring how technological breakthroughs are transforming everyday activities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the latest tech trends. Stay tuned for our next video. where we'll continue to explore the innovations shaping our world. See you next time.